Yes, correct. We're here the second day of the CABSAT show. Very busy. We're here basically with our data miner platform, but this time we're focusing a lot on some new components we're offering, which is built around process automation and data miner object modeling and low-code apps. In a nutshell, it's all about bringing together the business and the operational workflows together with, let's say, the technical workflows people already knew us from. So we see a lot of very good interest basically here in the market, in the region, because people are also looking to optimize the resources, both from a technology point of view, but also from a staffing point of view. There is a lot of demand into automation and optimizing, and that's really the answers we're giving. This time, providing, let's say, the business workflow, the operational workflow, and giving the tools in that. There is, of course, a lot of scarcity in the market related to, let's say, pure ICT programmers and so on, and hence we came up with concepts such as low-code applications. So in other words, it's like an environment we create where we deliver the tools that a wider amount of people can, let's say, build and the exact user interfaces, the workflows they are looking at, complementing, let's say, the demands of their market. And we see really good appetite for that currently here in the market. Yeah. Well, challenges on the infrastructure, of course. There is the move to cloud, the digitalization, virtualization. In the region, not everything is, let's say, fully ready for the cloud. There is also some, let's say, hesitating on security level, but I think that's just a temporary effect. So people are getting ready in there. So that's something which is just will be evolved over time, but they're very enthusiastic over it. I think the benefit here is you have a very young, dynamic set of people who are very eager as well to learn and to do things by themselves, to really be empowered and inspired, let's say, as well. And that we capture basically through programs we're offering, just like our global DevOps program, which is all about building a framework, having the tools out there. We have our community, now we have a DevOps program where we empower everybody to really take the platform and build, let's say, solutions out of them. And that really resonates as well because it's bridging, let's say, on one end and building the workarounds as well to really get to the goals. People also here in the region still have, let's say, a lot of a project mindset, but I feel that there is a lot of appetite as well to come really a DevOps mindset, to embrace the ICT workflows as well, and to come, let's say, in a continuous evolution of deploying projects and programs over and over and over in that. It all starts, let's say, with empowering a digital transformation. They realize here they are in a digital transformation journey. And they realize as well it's not about the technology, which is more and more commodity becoming, but it's about the people and it's about the methodology as well. And if you get the three things together, you really can move forward. Yes, there are some interesting things to tackle, also on the infrastructure, as I said, and the cloud connectivity. But on the other hand, we see the appetite growing and we see really that it is the next level. Very interesting here in the region. The topic today is, of course, doing more, let's say, with the same infrastructure. The infrastructure becomes, of course, major, more commodity, so they want to utilize, let's say, the resources better, use different, apply different services, for example, on the same set of infrastructure. So automation is really key here, and of course optimizing it. Then as well the whole planning aspect and preparation of that. So again, that digitalizing of the workflow, making sure they align, let's say, the processes in there, that's really, let's say, resonating. A lot of people looking into how can we better schedule, how we can better plan, how we can better make use of our technical resources, and of course, as I just said, the staffing around that. So that's really the big topic in there.